Hi there, Mitch from Cambridge Campervans, introducing you to a quick tour around this brand new white Commerce Pro T7. This van comes with the Mobifloor Mobibed system, which is a movable bed system. So not only will it pull out to a bed, but you can actually move it backwards and forwards. So you can have a little bit of space extra at the front, or you can also pull the seats forward so your rear passengers are nearer to you, and you've also got additional boot space. This particular conversion van comes with the 2 gas burner hob system and the cold water sink, your compressor fridge, your microwave, or your additional storage, and a Webasto diesel heater. This van also comes with an Oztop Scenic pop-top roof with a gloss white bedboard. It's a tailgate model for your convenience, keep you dry if it's raining while you're loading it. Also comes with rear storage and your gas canister. Got a side mounted water tank inlet and your power outlet that's just there. This model is a 6-speed manual. It's a Commerce Pro, so it comes with a heated steering wheel, LED exclusive rear tail lights, LED headlights, heated seats, rear camera, heated windscreen, 13-inch touchscreen infotainment system, front and rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, your wireless app connectivity for Android and Auto, and has delivery miles only. If you'd like any more information about this or any of our other vehicles, have a look on our website, cambridgecampervans.co.uk, or give me or Becca a call on 01480 461 463.